Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for pettreater. Now, if you're not familiar with pettreater, they are a pet subscription bag and box. They have 3 different levels. They have a $15 bag, which comes with 2 full-size treats and 2 toys. The $18 bag just comes with 3 toys, and then they have a $25 box for more than 1 animal in your home. You can set a profile based on breed and size, which is really nice. I get this bag for my 2 big dogs that I have. So the little guys get plenty of little toys and things like that, but this one I get just for my big guys. So I have the $18 bag that has 3 toys in it. So let's jump in here and see what I have this month. Here's what it looks like inside. Let's see, the first thing, oh, critters. I like the critters toys. Little tiger, very cute. The critters toys really hold up well for heavy duty chewers. So these have double stitching. The vulnerable areas of our toys are sewn together with multiple rows of stitching. They hold the seams together to help create a more durable toy. Our canvas toys are sturdy and durable. Whether used during playtime or as a cuddle buddy, this toy will become your pup's favorite toy to carry around everywhere. Now, another thing that these critters toys, Happy Tails, have is a chew rating. You see that? We've got low. What is that? Low? Light. Light, gentle, mild, moderate, and aggressive. This one is right in the center. But it will hold up still very, very well. So I'm always glad to get that. And, you know, another thing about these is, you know, these big toys are expensive. You can easily spend $15 on 1 toy. This bag is $18 and I get 3. So it's very cost effective. Oh, we have a little tug of war action. Rhinoceros. And my Luna will love playing with this. This is by Top Paw. Top Paw. It's a tug and squeak. It's recommended for dogs 20 to 60 pounds. The toy squeaks when easily grip the handles are pulled. Did I even say that right? The toy squeaks when easy grip handles are pulled. Yes, it does. And it's great for interactive play or multi-dog use. Yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Oh, nice ball. And this one squeaks too. This is the geometric fetch ball. It squeaks. Vanilla. Why does it have to be vanilla scented? It should be like bacon or beef. We care about the safety of your pet. So yeah, this is rubbery, soft, and it squeaks. Let's see what else we got in here. Now, every month they do send a bandana. Now, I don't put these bandanas on my guys, but the fabric is really good. I like the designs, and if you put, I'm waiting to get my new sewing machine. My other sewing machine died, but I'm going to put 2 of these together, and it'll make a square, and then I'll, you know, stuff it and have these little beds that I can easily wash. So that's what I plan on doing with these. The last thing in the bag is the pick of the litter card. Each month they have a program where if you take a picture of your pet, they do want to see the bandana and the toys in the picture. And if they choose the picture, you will become the next pick of the litter. And this time it is Linus. Very cute. That is a beautiful dog. So yeah, and that is what we have in our pet treater bag this month for January 2022. I appreciate you coming by. I really do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.